Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Response Education. In this video, I focus on a word that is question. Question. আমরা সাধারণত এই ওয়ার্ডটি আমরা ভুল উচ্চারণ করে থাকি। আমরা অনেকে বলি যে কোশ্চেন, কুয়েশ্চেন। সো সঠিক উচ্চারণ হবে question. Please repeat after me. Question. It's a two-syllabic word. Question. Question. Kho and cho. Question. So we may use some examples. Do you have any question? Yes, I have a question. No, I don't have a question. So from today we will pronounce cho question. Yes, I have a question. I answered all the questions perfectly. I answered all the questions perfectly. Thank you for watching.